Hello everyone, this is Harjeet K. Shergill from AH brand. Today I will be teaching you how you can changing the price from your mobile app on NRS POS system. In case you need to add the new item or in case you need to change the pricing, you no need to bring the item on the counter. It's very easy. A lot of people do not know. You can do everything from your phone. Okay, let's start it and I will teach you how to do one by one. Okay, this is your POS system. Click on the 9 dot on above. After that, tap on the tool. After that, store setup right here. Let's wait a little bit. After that, you will see lots of tab on top. Just find the portal account, PORTAL account. Tap here, put your email address here and click on the register. After when you tap on the register, you will get the email from the NRS POS. Follow the link and use the password, whatever you want to do it. And go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Download the mobile app called My NRS Store. Once again, My NRS Store. Okay, after you download the mobile app, here I want to show you from my phone. The icon look like that right here. So download this app. Okay, after you download this app, tap it. Once you go here, like here, I'm just gonna log out then to show you guys. I'm logging out from here. Okay, type your email address here and the password, whatever you choose whenever you click on the link on your email. So I'm putting my email here. 324.
How are you doing today? Good, thank you. When is the
Okay.
tonight? So when tonight?
Hold on.
Is that tomorrow or tonight?
One sec. Here, I logged in. I think I forgot the password. Okay, see, it's logging in. Okay, it's admin login. If you want to enter price, enter new item or change the price, you see top here is like barcode. Click on the here, tap here. See here, after you do this, put the item front of your camera, it will scan it. It's saying it's a job, whatever. If you want to change the price, you can change the price. Same way, you can add the new item. If you click it here, you can do lots of things on the mobile app. You also see your sales here, how much you made today. So it's a lot of things you can do through your mobile app. So that's very easy. If you need still help, just give us a call, 209-297-3200 or log into website ahwholesale.com. If you like my video, share it and do not forget to subscribe our AH Media YouTube channel. So we have super sale going on the POS system. Give us a call if you are looking for the POS system or credit card processing for your store. We beat everybody's rate. Once again, 209-297-3200. Thank you.